while loops in Python. While loops allow us to repeat a certain block of code as long as a condition is true. This is useful when we want to perform a task multiple times without having to write the same code over and over. In this example, we have a variable called count initialized to 0. The while loop executes the indented block as long as the condition count is less than 5 is true. Inside the loop, we print the current value of count and then increment it by 1. As you can see, the loop iterates 5 times because the condition count less than 5 becomes false when count reaches 5. Each time the loop runs, it prints the current value of count. What if we want to exit the loop before the condition becomes false? We can use the break statement. In this code, we have a loop that runs forever, since the condition true is always true. However, we can exit the loop by using the break statement when the user enters Q. The loop prompts the user to input a value. If the value is Q, the loop is terminated. For any other value, the user's input is printed and the loop runs again. Finally, we can also use the continue statement within a while loop to skip the rest of the current iteration and move on to the next one. In this code, when count reaches 3, the continue statement is executed, causing the loop to skip the remaining code for that iteration and move on. As you can see, the output does not include 3 because that print step was skipped. While loops are useful for repeating code based on a condition. Remember to define the condition carefully so your loop doesn't run without end.